So if you get to this trail in this national park, which is Sam Roi Yot National Park, you can go to the cave. I'll put the name below. Roi Nakan Temple. Praya. I can't pronounce it. Anyway, very easy. Once you get here, if you want to take the boat, 10 minutes around. I didn't even really hike yet. 30 minutes to the top, maybe a little bit longer. And you're right at the cave. Gorgeous outside of here. Crystal blue water. There's a restaurant over here, showers, bathrooms, everything. So you definitely got to check this place out. And we haven't gotten to the best part yet.